right, let's start. Okay, let's just wait 1 minute to get everyone onboarding. Today is a very sunny day in Costa Rica. We're working outside. There's plenty of birds and nature. It's very beautiful. So let's do it. So hello, uh, welcome again. For today, we will be working implementing Sentry, but also publishing to a domain, specific domain. So we're going to buy a domain from internet, and we're going through Netlify configuration, and we're going to complete all the setup to publish this product to domain, so it will be available for everyone. So let's start. So for those who are new on the streaming, this is the product that we have been building the last 3 or maybe 2 days. It is a Shark Tank simulator. As a founder, you don't have a way to test your pitch itself. So we created this platform, so you will be able to pitch with AI. What's this? I'm just seeing um, Elon Musk tweet called Scam Altman. Wow, so crazy, right? Okay, but let's continue. Yeah, so you will be able to pitch your idea. So, for example, I have several sessions already complete. Um, I just created this bolt.new pitch so we can practice. Ready to face the sharks? Here we go. It's ready. We will be improvising, of course.
James, let's dive in. Your
Let's
platform,
dive in.
Bolt, new, sounds cool.
Thank
How
you.
do you plan to make money? James, what's your pricing strategy and what kind of revenue are you projecting for the next year? Give me some hard numbers.
Yeah, we have a subscription model. It's about $50 per month per seat.
That's a good start, James. So, $50 per month per seat. How many subscribers do you have now and what's your growth rate looking like?
We just reached 2 million users, and our month over month increase is around 50%.
Wow, 50% month over month growth is impressive, James. With 2 million users, that's $100 million in annual revenue.
That's it. I just set the time for 1 minute. Also, we have these results right now based on the conversation. We are analyzing everything, including my interaction. Like if I look nervous, if I look pretty solid, all as well the language, but also related to like the question that the shark did, also how many interaction, how many questions, how many answers. We have a lot of analysis on this page. As this is under beta, I can't release this to the public because everybody will be using it, and I will be running out of credits in just 1 hour, pretty much. So, okay, let's continue. This is the product. Very interesting. I really like it. I've been testing this as a sales optimizer. Now, let's say you want to practice your pitch on a sales meeting call. You want to improve your sales speech. You can actually do it with this. You can ask to the avatar to be really, really rude or hard. You will be testing yourself much harder. Actually, it's amazing. So, okay. Go to dashboard. let's start with the Sentry implementation. Second. Okay, sorry. I have some deliveries in progress. Okay, audio is okay. Um, Pretty much I already have one an account, so let's continue. Yeah, I have used Sentry before, and it's awesome. It's the best tool. You can um, let me change the organization, but you can control all the errors on the platform, from backend to mobile to web to front end, and you can even they have like this replay feature that you can go back and do the replay of an error, so you can actually see how the error happened. Specifically, you can take a look. They are recording the screen. So let's create this sharktank. For now, we are calling this sharktank. There is no affiliation with Shark Tank at all. Okay, we have React.js website. Um, Notification, no. Shark Tank, create a project. Okay, this this is gonna be super simple. You will see. Just run the like this. Also, what else we can say? Okay, we have this. Huh, this prompt. Let's see. This example should be used as guidance when configuring sensor functionality within a project. Hmm. Logs. Okay, we don't need that. We can go vanilla style here. So this is an example. For initial configuration. Yeah, I'm licking my key, but that's okay for now. Actually, we support Spanish. I was testing tables using Spanish, and yes, you can actually speak indeed on Spanish, even Portuguese, um, Bon dia, Francés, French, um, and so on. Okay, I really enjoy always looking for the changes. So as you can see here, we should move this DSN to environment variable, but for now, let's keep it like this. As you could use well, some interesting things that Bolt did to me already is like this one. if you are implementing this as a software developer, you really have to dive into the code, look where you have the authentication system modules, and set up these kind of lines of code to be able to understand or to be able to link the error with a specific user. You can use this like a customer support or whatever, but it's already done. Also, there is a hook. This hook, what it does is hooking all the application to be able to, if you have any error, will be triggering the Sentry service and calling Sentry itself and querying and logging the error. So it's almost transparent to me as a developer. For 1 second, my Uber driver is lost. Yeah, I'm sorry, apologize. I am also right now working on the birthday event for Saturday. So I have been, you know, doing a lot of messaging, packaging for my nephew. Okay, let's continue. So yeah, that's it. We already have Sentry implemented. Yeah, there is nothing big that we can do. We can also implement Sentry on the super-based functions, but so far it's not required to me. So if you wanna do it, just go back to projects. You click no, I remember they have. Let me check. Yeah, here backend, and you can do like a setup the tracing. So you will be using the same project, but you can indeed track the backend functions directly. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. So it's ready. Now we're going to configure Netlify. We need to assign the domain. So let's first of all click on deploy. Yes, there are plenty of mediums, so I wanted to like do the streaming as soon as possible. That's the reason I'm doing. I always am like this, like on mediums at the same time, replying messages at the same time. I hope that is not a big problem for you. Okay, it's building. All good. Yeah, the Uber just arrived, so 1 second, I will be back. got the package. This is what I'm waiting for. And sorry, this is from Roblox for a party kit for my nephew. But the Uber got lost, and I had to walk like one block from my house. Oh, this is hot now. I have to switch, but let's start. Let's continue. We have everything deployed. Um, on Shark Tank, everything is good. Already add the disclaimer at the very end, not affiliated with Shark Tank or Sony Pictures Television. So, oh, let me share. Sorry. So it's ready. Not affiliated with Shark Tank or Sony Pictures Television. So now we go to Netlify. Okay, yes, I have plenty websites. 9 minutes ago, we go to domain management. We click on add domain. I don't have a domain right now. I remember we got like a free domain by just participating on the hackathon. So I'm gonna switch to to this screen because I need to go directly to my personal email. 1 second. Yeah, I have another delivery in progress. It's loading my Gmail. If it gets hard, I will get. I mean, let me see how it goes the domain thing. Um, checking. Jonas, Ionos. I'm really excited to be publishing this project because it took me 3 days, and that to me it's a lot. I mean, I feel like I have been working on this since forever, so I'm really excited to be completing this this project by 100%. I just need to go through QA, but that's simple. I believe to get the free domain, yeah, you must know. Okay, once you have Bolt Pro, claim your custom domain by visiting this page. Sign in with the same credential as your Bolt Pro account. Okay, let's try it again. Claim your free custom domain from entry. You have successfully, yes, already did this before. Well, looks like we will help you do it through chat in Bolt. Your domain is set up through Ionos. Once you have deployed to Netlify, we'll walk you through claiming your domain in the chat. Let me copy paste this. Okay, I'm confused. Maybe I'm missing something. Uh-huh. Okay, looks like we have to create an account on entry. Oh, I thought it was like a line on my computer, this one, but it's the part of the design. Um, Login, start building, login with Google. Okay, let's pick principal account. Looks like everybody's joining this application. Actually, it's a really good idea. I came up with this idea. Initially, I was thinking mostly like a demo day from Y Combinator, which I just came from that event on the last weekend. But then I say like, hmm, um, Shark Tank is more hype, so that's the reason. Shark Tank, sorry. Um, fail it. Well, because this is the login. Mm, Generally, if you use the same when you are using the social login, they should be like automatically detecting and registering. But okay, let's go again. Entry.com. Okay. $1 domain. That's good because I have Octanews. Octanews is a firm, well, a website firm builder. We have more than 100 websites around the world, different categories, health, AI, startups, and so on. We use it from brand virality to be able to create a lot of backlinks of high quality backlinks. Sharktank. No, no, I don't like that name because I have to change it later. I'm looking for how I choose domains. I use several applications that search for expired domains, but as I'm going to use Ionos, it must be different process. When you are buying a domain, just search for existing domains. They already have H. H is a factor that Google will take in account when doing a rank for your domain. So that's very important. But also the keyword. So let's go to Google Trends and let's compare, for example, change this to, okay, I can change it from here, but I can in the next screen. But let's say that this is a AI pitch. So AI pitch simulator, AI pitch simulator. Okay, AI pitch. For now, let's test this first keyword. Yeah, right here, change to all countries, worldwide pitch. Mm, there is not much data. AI pitch deck generator. No, we're not that. Um, AI pitch simulator. This is past date. This is not good. We have to change this at least for 12 months. So yeah, looks like at least right now it's not a trend, but from a business perspective, that's a good sign because it means you have a lot of opportunity. Once this AI pitch simulator start trending, it will be already on the beginning, so you will have a lot of results and visitors. So I'm gonna continue with this one. AI pitch is too broad. All right, why not .com? Yeah, awesome. Add to the cart. Continue. Domain only. Wait, I saw $1. So Where is the $1? Domain guard. So yeah, it's just huh. Just 1 second. I need to call Jose because he already he already did the process. He is unavailable, but I already sent him a message so he can explain me how to get the free domain. Okay, he's not available. So I mean, these instructions honestly are not clear. Let's keep trying here. Okay, I'm not sure if this is yeah, we have gone through yeah, okay, let me close. Um we have gone through all this process. Um AI pitch practice. I like that one. AI pitch practice.com. No, for some reason the chat says follow this process to claim your free domain, but I'm following the process and at the end I am getting into the purchase through Netlify. Um, Also using existing domain. If this doesn't, I will be waiting my friend, but he's not available right now. So for later, I wanted to go through the process you just so you can do the same, but it's not like a very transparent so far. Meantime, let me check about the revenue. Cat web implementation, but because the last time I implemented revenue cat, it was using a mobile application with Expo, but never before with on the web. So usually for web I use Stripe directly. Yes, 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 yes. We're in a web building engine. Okay. Okay, so basically it is using a Stripe like as an underlayer service behind the hood. Um, Before going through the process, I just want to be sure that we really have a support. At the end, the most important feature of Revenue Cat is the paywall. Paywall is everything. Yeah, it takes care end-to-end purchases. UI, that's good. All the subscription life cycle, that's good. I prefer for this case to use web purchase links. I never used this before, but I imagine just like a Stripe link that you click and open the revenue cat. Um, yeah, but because as I just reading here, by using this SDK, we don't have access to the paywall templates. Paywall templates are so important on mobile. You can play with them. You can do A/B testing. You can try to increase the performance of each paywall until you get into a point that you literally converts like a 90% users. Um, but as that's not supported right now, let's go through web purchases links. So it's open. I'm not using my personal accounts for this. If if we had any issue, we will be jumping onto the my business account as we already have everything configured from there. Oh my god, I'm running out of time. Already, yeah, I already have an account, but I don't remember. Oh, great. Okay, let's create a new project. Sharktank. Let me see if it's the same. I don't believe. I don't think it's the same configuration as in a mobile apps. You have entitlements and products and a lot of configuration. So web billing subscriptions. But I don't. I'm not sure what's the idea to be using RevenueCat that goes through Stripe and not using Stripe directly. But let's continue to see what we have. hmm Okay, easy. I'm just not sure if this is. Let's click on this. Oh, I don't have an account on my personal account with Stripe, so guess I have to use a Stripe from another account from the company. So yeah, I just need to log in using any account from my any of my companies. So just give me 1 second to log in. Okay, I'm back. I'm back here. It's already connected. So let's ask to Bolt to implement Revenue Cat web links. Allow the user to buy minutes. 1 minute is equal to 1 credit. 2 credit minimum and $10 for 2 credits. Yeah, I believe I won't have time because I really have to jump into a sales call right now. So let's try to make this very quickly. It is creating the revenue cat library files. Yeah, it is creating all the logic inside to assign the user so we can link the user between revenue cat, Stripe, and our system. Also, what I saw here some things regarding to kind of plans. Yeah, great. So he already created a few plans. Plans 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 20 minutes plan with the respective price and the quantity of credits. It is creating the component. I remember when I did all this stuff manually, like 2 years ago. Well, for mobile, right? In Expo, I create the paywall by code by myself. I remember all this code. Not this good, of course. AI, it's better. So it's creating the credit purchase model. I think we're gonna make it. This is using Sandbox right now. It's not using the production, so um, the payments won't be real right now. Okay, let's do it. I just have 10 more minutes. Exactly, it's creating the webhook. I was waiting for that because on the webhook is where the magic happens. This webhook is the one creating all the important logic, refund, initial purchase. I guess it will be creating like the link itself, cancellation, squaring through the profiles, looking for how many credits the user has, adding credits to the users. All these logics must be on the backend. If you put this logic on the front end, anyone can go and edit your credits, can edit the membership without paying anything, right? I don't know what Malt means, but if I like to get help, by setting up the revenue cat configuration. I don't believe that bot can edit the revenue cat configuration from here. Honestly, that would be awesome, but how? Um, I need to go to Supabase and configure the revenue cat webhook secret environment variable. But I just want to end the call testing the user interface. Later on the next call, we can go through the backend setup. I just want to end the call showing you the model. Let's see how it went, what built if something happened. Like right now, we're just flashing the screen. I don't know. Okay, the server crashed. There is nothing on the logs. Pretty much, I really have to go to a sales call. I have two, one in 10 minutes, another at 12, and another one, actually three, another one at 1 p.m. So I will be back like at 2 p.m., maybe 3, to complete all the revenue cat stuff. The goal is to create a model in which the user can buy the credits, and that's it. It's very simple. With that, we have all the product ready and complete for submission.